Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Point. Today we've got something super exciting lined up for you. A deep dive into what we can expect from the upcoming Tata Nexon EV 2026. The Nexon EV has been a game changer in India's electric vehicle space, and the 2026 version is all set to push the boundaries even further. If you're even slightly interested in EVs or future cars, this is one you'll want to keep your eyes on. Tata has been steadily refining the Nexon EV since its debut. First, we got the standard version, then the EV Max, and finally the facelifted version in 2023. Each update brought real improvements, but now, the 2026 version is expected to be a generational leap. We're talking about new design language, improved performance, longer range, smarter features, and a more EV-dedicated platform. Let's start with what we're expecting in terms of design. The overall shape of the Nexon EV will likely retain its familiar SUV silhouette, but Tata is expected to bring in even sharper styling elements. There could be a more futuristic front fascia with slimmer LED headlamps, a new closed-off grille with LED light bar, and a reworked bumper for a more aerodynamic profile. EV-specific alloy wheels might be introduced with better airflow optimization, and the rear could sport a connected LED taillight setup to keep it in line with modern design trends. Tata may also offer unique color options exclusive to the EV, with blue accents or matte finishes to distinguish it from the ICE versions. On the inside, expect Tata to go all out in giving the Nexon EV 2026 a more upmarket, tech-heavy cabin. The current version already feels quite modern, but Tata could introduce a new 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system with an upgraded UI, better touch response, and full wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The digital driver display may become fully customizable with more air-focused data like regen levels, real-time efficiency stats, and advanced navigation support. Premium materials like soft-touch plastics, leatherette upholstery, and ambient lighting may become standard in higher variants. Tata could also bring in a panoramic sunroof, powered driver's seat, and enhanced sound insulation for a more refined cabin experience. Battery and range will be one of the biggest upgrades. The existing Nexon EV Max offers up to 453 kilometers of RI-certified range, but the 2026 model could cross the 500-kilometer mark thanks to a newer battery pack and improved energy efficiency. Tata may use the updated Acti.ev platform or a new Sigma EV architecture, both designed to be more space-efficient and performance-optimized. This could allow Tata to offer more cabin space while also fitting in a larger battery pack. Improved regenerative braking, lower drag coefficient, and more efficient power electronics will all contribute to the longer range. Fast charging capabilities are expected to see a boost as well, with support for up to 80 kilowatts DC charging, meaning that to 80% charge in around 35 to 40 minutes. Performance-wise, the Nexon EV 2026 is expected to offer slightly more powerful motors. The current Max variant delivers 143 PS and 250 Nm torque. The 2026 version might push this up to 150 or even 160 PS, with torque improvements too. 0 to 100 km/h times could drop below 8.5 seconds, making it one of the quickest EVs in its segment. Driving modes like Eco, City, and Sport will likely return, along with multi-level regenerative braking to help tailor the driving experience. In terms of ride and handling, the updated platform should bring better weight distribution and chassis dynamics. Tata has been working on making their EVs not just efficient but also fun to drive. Improved suspension tuning and lower center of gravity from the battery pack should help improve cornering and highway stability. Safety will be another major focus. Tata has a great reputation for building safe cars, and the 2026 Nexon EV is likely to continue that legacy. 6 airbags may come standard on most variants. Electronic stability control, hill-hold, hill descent control, a 360-degree camera, and tire pressure monitoring system are expected. There's also talk about Tata introducing ADAS features in the Nexon EV, possibly including lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, and adaptive cruise control. which would be a big deal in this price range. Technology and connectivity will be central to the Nexon EV 2026's appeal. Tata is building a whole EV ecosystem around Connect, and the upcoming version will likely offer even deeper integration. You'll be able to control cabin temperature, check range, find charging stations, and receive OTA updates right from your phone. Voice commands, smartwatch compatibility, and maybe even Alexa or Google Assistant integration are also possible. Another exciting feature that might make it to the 2026 model is vehicle-to-load, V2L, or even vehicle-to-vehicle, V2V, charging. This means you could power a camping setup or charge another EV using your Nexon EV, features that were previously limited to luxury EVs. The pricing is expected to start around 17 lakh rupees and go up to 21 lakh rupees ex-showroom depending on the variant and features. Yes, it's a step up from today's pricing, but if the upgrades live up to expectations, it'll be worth the premium. Tata is likely to offer 2 or 3 variants to cater to different needs, from city commuters to long-distance users. Launch-wise, we could see the Nexon EV 2026 officially unveiled in late 2025 or at Auto Expo 2026. Deliveries may start soon after in early to mid-2026. Tata will likely continue selling the current Nexon EV until then, but the 2026 version could coexist for a while as a more premium alternative. Rival-wise, Tata will face tough competition from Mahindra's XUV 400 facelift, the Maruti EVs, Hyundai's upcoming Venue EV, and possibly MG's entry-level EV offerings. But Tata's strong EV network, local manufacturing advantage, and constant software updates might help it stay ahead in the game.